These meat chickens are 3 weeks old now. These are the jumbo Cornish. We just put them out into the run. We shut the door so that we can go into the coop and clean it out. They are already getting pretty big. Looking good. Here we are inside the coop. This is their bedding. This was cleaned out last week. This is 1 week and it got pretty nasty. So we're just going to clean it out. This metal tank was used for the brooder. We are going to wheel it out today and just let them live in this coop for the remainder of the time, which would be maybe another 4 weeks or so. Those are the bricks that the food and water containers were sitting on. Yeah, just stack them up against the wall, bud. And over here's the chicken door. And you can see them out there.
Out the door. The bricks. What is that?
Diatomaceous earth.
What is it?
Just to help keep the bugs under control.